Just here we can take our next profit with us. Because I like to be in trade number 0 when the market opens and it starts. So wonderful. DAX number 1. It was short. We are looking now what happens. We are going long. Long breakout. Okay, we went in the profit also in number, yeah. You see, this was unbelievable, folks. This was really unbelievable. And this is the moment when I'm already thinking to bring my trades home. Here to say close or stop afterwards. Because the idea of this trading is when there is the breakout, take the win and go home. You see? Wow, all home. Number 1 is out. We are here in DAX 2. I say close afterwards. I want to bring these trades as quick as possible out. When you close them manually, you get an empty chart. This is no problem. You can close it and bring number 2 out. So you know this is important here in this trading, yeah? So number 2. You see, there was the breakout, and now the breakout is done. So we have to see that we get our 48 charts out of the trading. We always look for security, yeah? This is the most important thing in our trading. We will never take a risk, you know? So when the win is made, days more long, whatever, we have our 1% already. So here are the next ones. So this is my trading style, folks. Now let's see what we do here. Close afterwards. You know, it's trading by its own, but I will push all the buttons close afterwards in all the robots now. There is only 24 left, half is already out. Please forgive me, I cannot switch so fast from one chart to another. Really spectacular opening. We will be prepared. I did not push any turbo button until now. I bring them out like that, look. There is a short move, so this brings us out. Please keep in mind I'm trying to make a short effective trading without taking any risk when possible. And you know, my eye is always on the profit percentage when I see I made my profit. And I also don't want to waste my lifetime. So I bring the charts out. So what's left here? It's not much left. We bring them also out. We are in a huge win. My goodness, here, win, 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 win. Nothing left. This was it, folks. And this is nearly unbelievable, you know. This is nearly unbelievable. What we do now, we want to see how much was our profit, ladies and gentlemen. So I have to open again a MetaTrader. First thing we have to control if there are some open trades. No, nothing. So the robot worked perfectly. You see my amount is 28,142 now. And this is 1%. How long was it? In 5 minutes or something? This was unbelievable. This was this move. Look, this long move. It was only 76 points. And then the short move. And all this brought us out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the best system. There is nothing better I can show or offer you in this market. Yeah, we have an effective profit of $285, and this was 1%. Actually, this was what I wanted to make in this day. But we will trade again with the Dow Jones. Yeah, please, when you want, download the software, visit the website, open an account by GBE Brokers, and then trade with me so you can see how it works. Actually, I did not do anything. Yeah, this was only strategy number 1, RMP trading. And what I'm doing when I get in and profit, you know, there is 48 charts. When I get in and profit, I take my profit with me when the DAX is not open, and then I look when it's counting up and up and up, and I have my profit. So I bring the charts out. Yeah, I bring the charts out because when we are in trade 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, you know, it gets higher when it will not go in the profit. When there is a sideways move, I don't know if there is a sideways move now, but you know, when there was a breakout, actually, it gets more silent. Yeah, maybe we could trade on and on and on and on, but this is not what I'm doing. Yeah? You know, this is not my style of trading. My style is an effective, rapid way, high profit, zero risk when possible, and then out. And when I get trouble by the trading to come out, then I have to start with my turbo buttons, this is actually strategy number 2, also in the RMP. And then when I'm going into an hedge, then I make the hedge resolution. I have this, yesterday I made the best hedge resolution I ever made in my life because we have the best version. You know, you can configure everything, and when you have an experience with the trading, you get better and better and better. This is the goal. So with a little bit of practice, or let 1 half year, 1 year, 1 month, depending of your flexibility, you can get customized very quickly. So folks, I love doing this. I love showing you this kind of trading. What can I say? This is fantastic. Bye-bye. This was Idus Uwe from the Philippines.